Good morning, DSC. Respected dignitaries, teachers, and my dear friends. I don't know where to begin really. Right now, our hearts just feel heavy.
Well, I'm not sure if I should be happy, like our next chapter is ready to unfold in our lives.
Or to be sad for a 13-year-old journey that is coming to an end now. Well, I guess we are definitely sad. Maybe it's the nostalgia. Oh, I'm at the verge of crying right now.
We would like to thank every teacher who have taught us, and you even forgave us for making some mistakes.
We are definitely blessed to have these wonderful people around us for all this time. I always consider TSC as my second home.
We're not ready to leave this, we have everyone around here. Friends and mentors who we consider to be our family.
We didn't really come to school for studying, only to have fun with friends. But yeah, I wouldn't suggest you be like Kaushik. Please balance both of them.
I would say school life went too fast.
Well, last 3 years went like a bullet train, and the boring online classes which we hated. Better not talk about it, I guess. Well, thanks to DSC for giving me my free therapist, who I annoy so much at times, but yeah, I would like to thank them for listening to me, yapping things about my life. And you will always be my family and have a place etched in my heart forever. Well, I would like to thank our PT department, our captain Sudhakar sir, and our vice captain Gorit sir, and I would thank our senior I would like to thank my computer teacher, Ms. Soumya, for always supporting me and pushing me forward.
Our school's principal, sir, Mr. Agustin, sir, he remains an icon and inspiration to many people. And he's a perfect embodiment of discipline and joviality. Sir always encouraged each and every student. He was also friendly. And he was strict with us when we made some mistakes, but he always entertained us. Sir, last year, observe one pattern. During Hindi assembly, you danced. In Telugu assembly, you danced. Children's Day assembly also. You dance. Thank you for entertaining us, sir. Our Vice Principal Madhina, thank you for being a beacon of light and guiding us now. Thank you so much. Now, there's a place in school which everyone will talk about. It was very elevated, It's a mystery. It's nothing more than the school's terrace. One day in 8th class I heard, school's terrace, view. Did you never go to a terrace? From then on, it struck my mind I should visit the school terrace, but it was never fulfilled. But we created enough memories to last us a lifetime. Goodbyes are always hard, but let's just embrace the upcoming chapter of our life. But the school life will probably remain the longest and the sweetest chapter of our life. Here is to the end of an era, but not the end of the journey. I'm excited for what's next, but I'll always look back fondly on the school days. To the juniors, we're leaving our legacy to you guys. This glorious institution has given many top rankers and winners. It is up to you to carry our legacy forward.
Well, we were in this school from nursery and now we are about to receive farewell. Wow, what a great journey it has been. Signing off for the last time. Goodbye, DSC.